Don't worry, you'll get your crack at him sooner or later.
I know. Huggins was like, I was like, hey, I'm supposed to fight you tonight. He's like, oh, you was the guy? He's like, shit, you don't look that big, as they were saying to us.
Everybody ready to rock and roll? Right, here we go. Make some noise with your neck on. Both fighters sizing each other up. Brundage from Colorado. Griffey from right here in Sturgis. Again, 3 3-minute rounds. Brundage takes Griffey down hard. Brundage in trouble there. He's in a headlock. Griffey with the headlock from the top again. 3 3-minute rounds in our amateur fights. Brundage still on top. He'll try to go to work. Make some noise, knuckle! Up against the cage now in the corner. Brundage right to the head with the knee. In the headlock.